Have you ever felt nervous ordering food at a restaurant in English? Today, I'll walk you through it. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to order like a pro. Let's jump in. Serah is at a restaurant. Edvin is the waiter. Listen to how she orders her meal.
Hi, table for two, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Could I see the specials too?
Of course, they're on the board over there.
I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water for now, thanks.
Coming right up.
All right, that's the full conversation. They ordered their food without any trouble. Now let's break down the key vocabulary and phrases they used, so you can order confidently at any restaurant.
Phrase 1 is, table for two, meaning, requesting seating for a certain number of people. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Hi, table for two, please.
Phrase 2 is, could I see the menu? Meaning, asking to view the menu. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Thank you. Could I see the specials too?
Phrase 3 is, I'll have, meaning, ordering food. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Phrase 4 is, anything to drink? Meaning, asking about a drink order. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Phrase 5 is, coming right up, meaning, saying an order will arrive soon. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Coming right up.
Great. Now that we've got those phrases down, let's tune into the pronunciation. There are a few sounds Edvin and Serah blend together naturally when they speak. Let's break those down so you can sound just as smooth.
Quick pronunciation tip 1. Relaxes to table fare in fast, casual speech. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Hi, table for two, please.
Quick pronunciation tip 2. Said smoothly in one breath. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Quick pronunciation tip 3. A slight rise at the end sounds warm and inviting. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
All right, you've got the sounds down. Now it's time to put it all into practice. Let's try a few prompts together, just like Edvin and Serah did in their conversation.
Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after me. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Pause the video and say it out loud. Quick question for you. What did Serah order to drink? Pause here and think about it. Now it's your turn. Order your favorite meal out loud. Comment your order below.
Nicely done. Next time, making a phone call, useful for work and daily life. Subscribe and see you tomorrow.